हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है द आइडिया ऑफ हैविंग अ प्रोविजन फॉर ए बाईकैमरल पार्लियामेंट इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया वाज बोरोड फ्रॉम द डैश कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. द ऑप्शंस आर फ्रेंच, कनाडियन, ब्रिटिश एंड आयरिश. बाईकैमरल पार्लियामेंट फ्रॉम ब्रिटिश. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हु वर द चेयरमैन ऑफ द हाउस कमिटी ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑफ इंडिया. The options are B. Pattabi Sitaramaya, A.B. Thakkar, J.B. Kripalani, K.M. Munshi. The correct answer is B. Pattabi Sitaramaya. Next question है Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer was the chairman of the days of the Constituent Assembly of India. The correct answer is Credential Committee. Next question है The Constituent Assembly was recognized by Section Dash of the Indian Independence Act 1947. The Constitution Assembly recognized by Section 8(1). Next question है when was the 10th session of the Constituent Assembly held? The Constitution Assembly held total 11 sessions and the 10th session was on 6 to 17 October 1949. Next news है the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly was consisted of 7 members. Next news है every law enacted by the government has to be in conformity with the dash fundamental right, directive principles, constitution, preamble. The correct answer is constitution. Next news है Original text of the Indian Constitution contained dash articles. The correct answer is 395. Next question is which part of the Constitution of India consists of the idea of a welfare state? The correct answer is directive principles of state policy, which is in part 4. Next question is the directive principles of state policy was adopted from the options are British Constitution, Swiss Constitution, US Constitution, Irish Constitution. The correct answer is Irish Constitution. DPSP Irish Constitution. Then which of the following attribute in the preamble states that no one should treat a fellow citizen as inferior? The options are justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. The correct answer is fraternity. Next question है a secular state is one which the correct answer is has no religion of its own. A secular state is one which has no religion of its own. Next है in Indian Constitution fundamental rights were taken from the Constitution of USA. Fundamental rights from USA. Next है how liberty can be limited. Options are by rule, by law, by authority, by equality. The correct answer is by law. Next है which of the following is justiciable in nature? Fundamental duties, DPSP, fundamental rights. The correct answer is fundamental rights. Next है which of the following is not a fundamental duty? Options are to abide by constitution and respect the national flag. ये एक fundamental duty है. Next है to promote harmony and brotherhood. ये भी एक fundamental duty है. Next है to uphold and protect the sovereignty. This one is also a fundamental duty. Next option is abolition of titles except military and academic. This is not a fundamental duty, it is a fundamental right. Next है in how many ways Indian citizenship can be acquired? 3, 4, 5, 6. The correct answer is 4. By birth, descent, registration and naturalization. Next है as for the Indian Constitution under which condition freedom of expression is taken away from the citizens. The correct answer is censorship. freedom of expression is taken away. Then है the Parliament has been given power to make laws regarding citizenship under which article of the Constitution of India? Under Article 11. The Parliament given power to make laws regarding citizenship. Article 11. Then which of the following does not come under social rights? Right. The correct answer is right to vote. It is come under civil and political right. And right to life, right to religious freedom, right to education and culture, these are comes under the social rights. And the last question is, in the Constitution of India, promotion of international peace and security is mentioned in which of the following parts? The correct answer is DPSP, Directive Principles of State Policy. Thank you.